Hi, this is a short video on the PolarPro gimbal lock for the Osmo Pocket. Now I have done another video on a gimbal lock and I'll leave that up in the description there, and that's from Sunny Life, I think it's called. So I'll leave that up in the description on there. Now the reason why I bought this one is that other than the Sunny Life one, this one actually covers the display window of the Osmo Pocket, while the Sunny Life one only covers the gimbal head. So let's see what we have here, have in the box and that. But first of all, we'll go around the box. So you have the PolarPro branding up here, the description, the gimbal lock, and the item, what it's for, PolarPro's logo. And on the back here it goes, help keeps the camera and gimbal secure during storage, easy to install and easy to remove, lens cover shields camera preventing scratches, and PolarPro logo there. Now inside the box we have the gimbal lock here and cover, and we have a little envelope which is a nice design on there, gold leaf writing from PolarPro, and we have here a short little user guide on there. We have a lifetime warranty card here, and some other little collection cards from PolarPro, and a thank you card. So I'll put them out of the way. Now the gimbal lock looks like that. It has a nice swirly kind of decorative top to it, and it has a rubber feel to it as well. Obviously made of plastic, and you can feel the plastic here, but this is a nice rubber feel on the top. You have a space here to put a lanyard to it if you require one for it. On the inside here we have some more rubber, but this is spongy, soft rubber compared to the outside here, and that's to protect your screen. Now here's the Osmo Pocket here. Now just in case you're wondering, this is the PolarPro frame mount for the Osmo Pocket, and I'll leave a description up here on the video that I've done of this. And this simply fits on like so. So what it is, at the moment the Osmo Pocket is switched off. Now when you first switch off the Osmo Pocket, you bear it in mind, for the first, I think 8 seconds, it will hold its position like that. Do not try to force it, just let it hold that position for 8 seconds. Then it becomes loose. Then you can turn, you can hold the lens like so, and that clips on here like that. And as you can see, it fits on just like that. Now if you got the frame mount from PolarPro, they have made cutouts for the frame mount. So with the frame mount on there, that's how it looks. So it has made cutouts for the frame mount, and that's how it looks. The complete PolarPro gear. So that's with the frame mount and the gimbal lock cover on there. and there is some movement of the gimbal in there, but it's not loose. There is some resistance to it in there, so as you can see there's some resistance in there, but that's how it looks on there. So now you don't have to necessarily bring the case with you when you're out shooting pictures or movies on there, or videos. You can just carry that because it'll be safe as it is, like so. And to remove it, just simply pull and it releases there. And as I says, they've made the concession for the frame, which is that part here, corresponds with there. So they have made a concession for it. So that is the gimbal lock cover for the Osmo Pocket. And I'll attach that back on there. And it's from PolarPro. And I think it's well worth the money. I think this lock, this gimbal protection lock here is, to me, more better than the Sunny Life one, because as I says, the Sunny Life one only protects the gimbal head and that's it. And while this protects not only the gimbal head and the gimbal itself here at the sides, as you can see, but it also protects the screen of the Osmo Pocket. As I said, it's a short video, and my conclusion of this is it is worth buying. And I bought this off Amazon for $18.99 in the UK. It may be a bit more in the US, so, but well worth its money. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Please do me a favor, please like, please subscribe, leave a comment down in the comment section. Thanks very much.